Hi all, welcome to my channel Mathematics Idea. This video is also available in Hindi. यह वीडियो हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध है. Today with this video I want to introduce the new section for my channel Mathematics Idea, which is General Talk. Okay, this session is General Talk. This General Talk is similar to those like helping classes, or you can tell those my introduction, detailed explanation, workshop session. So these are having some motive, right? Detailed explanation will be having entire coverage of understanding the concepts, okay, and workshop session will be having for solving the problems. So these are all related to the subject, okay. General talk is something which is away from the subject. So what does general talk is? General talk is to establish the connection between teacher and student. Okay, this is a general talk. It is outside the subject, and this will be motivating, inspiring you. It will be providing the ways of learning. It will develop the interest on the subject. Okay, so videos under the general talk session will be serving these all purpose. What are all those? Motivating you, inspiring you, giving you ways of learning, and also develop the interest on the subject. Okay, this is what the main motive of having general talk sessions. Now, if suppose you are attending any classroom learning, okay, in that what happens? Some teacher will come, he will dictate the problems and solve in the board and leave the class. Okay, and class is having suppose 50 students. Out of 50 students, there may be 4 to 5 students who are interested to get further tips from the teacher, or to get some ways of learning, to get some to develop some interest, okay, on the subject. So what they will do? They will be connecting outside the class with the teacher. Okay, definitely the discussion will not be some any technical discussions or something like that, but they will be interacting with the teacher to get some tips behind how to succeed. Okay, so this session or the videos under the general talk session will serve that purpose. Okay, they will be giving you motivation, inspiration. They will be providing ways of learning, and they will be developing the interest of the subject in you. Okay, so these general talk sessions will all outside the subject thing. Okay, these are having no relation with matrices or determinants or trigonometry, anything with that one. Okay, so these sessions will be purely based on a connection between a teacher and a student, which will enhance the interaction between teacher and the student. Okay, so these sessions will be very helpful for you. For some general comments will be there in entire classes. So those general comments will be addressed in this session. If there are any comments which are related to subject, it will be addressed in our workshop sessions or detailed explanation classes or special concept classes like that. Okay, but some questions will be there like how I can prepare, how I will indulge with the course content, how I will be competitive. Such are all type of tips will be provided in this general talk sessions. Okay, so with these words, today I am launching my general talk session, and today I will be ending this video. Okay, if you are happy with the content, please press like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get the notification. For the further content, please stay connected with my channel. Thank you and happy viewing.